backlinks and social shares. You want to ensure that you are sharing your content as much as you can on social media. Why? Because the search engine still works on the link model. It still values link very much. It still considers how many times your links appears on the internet. So you using social media to propagate the internet, to distribute these links around, is an added advantage. So ensure that when you create content on your website, on your web page, make sure that there's a social link attached to it. Make sure that that page is shareable on social media. Make sure you share it on social media. Make sure your users, your audience can share it also on social media. The more shares you get, the more value the links get, and the more valuable the search engine considers this link. Make sure you are sharing on social media. Make sure your contents are shareable. Make sure that your audience have the privilege to share your contents to their audience on social media. That way you create this ripple effect of sharing. This person shares this other person shares this. The more shares you get, the more valuable the search engine regards your link. And that means the more traffic you can get to your website. And this increases your search engine optimization ranking.